Hello, 12th day of my resilience marathon has arrived. Today can be briefly described as not the best day at work. An error was made that can really be justified. All that left is to draw conclusions and move forward. As for discipline marathon, I am glad to report that I don't feel urge to watch porn or eat sweets. I am sticking relatively calmly to my schedule of physical, mental, and intellectual activities. So, while they can be considered a failure, it certainly cost me a lot of nerves. Nevertheless, a marathon continue, and new version of myself is getting closer and closer. I am glad. And don't remember, as always, everything work out for me is the best possible way because my universe take care of me. Even I don't want it to. Everything is going exactly as it should. Now it's all. Today's short video, but I'm glad to see guys. See you tomorrow.